Assalamu alaikum, my cooking in a budget's family. Hope you all are doing well. Let's start the recipe. 400 grams of dried apricots washed and soaked overnight in 2 liters of water. 3 tablespoons of dried plums washed and soaked overnight. Soaked plums. Soaked apricot. Add soaked plums with water in the apricots. Sugar 1 cup. 1/2 tablespoon of salt. 1/2 tablespoon of red pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Cook on high flame until it begins up a boil. After a boil, turn the flame low and cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let it cool completely, then blend it. Then add 1 teaspoon of black salt, 1 tablespoon of crushed cumin, 1 tablespoon of crushed coriander. Again, cook on low flame for 20 minutes and stir occasionally. Then turn off the flame and add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. After 20 minutes, our apricot sauce or chutney is ready. Store in an airtight container and refrigerate it up to 6 months. If you like the recipe video, please like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. See you soon with another iftar recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.